Hi, in this session we'll see how we can create our first automation process. So let's launch UiPath Studio. Now, on your UiPath Studio home screen, click on Process. This will create a blank process. Now in name field, you can give a suitable name, but make sure the name is not exceeding 128 characters as it accepts only till 128 characters. So I'll give hello automation. Now in location field, give path of the directory where you want your automation project to be created. By default, the path will be always this. You can change the location. Click on this folder icon and select your desired location. So I'll go to my D drive and I have already created this folder, tutorials folder. I'll select this folder. My path has been changed. Now in description field, write the summaries which you are aiming to do in this project. This field will allow you to write 500 characters only. So I'll write display welcome to automation journey. This message I want my bot to display whenever I'll run my bot. Now for compatibility, if you are using 32-bit system, which is rare for now, you can select Windows Legacy. But if you are using the latest version of UiPath, version after 2021.10.0, you can go ahead with Windows or cross-platform. Now, cross-platform is for Linux and Windows. As you can see, the compatibility matrix. Cross-platform is for Windows and Linux. This will have limited activities. That means if I select cross-platform, then for this project, I will have less functionality or activities in my studio. Also, the default packages will be different. So select cross-platform if it is your project's requirement. Otherwise, go ahead with standard or recommended selection, which is Windows. So I'll select Windows. For more information, you can pause the video and see the compatibility matrix, which is this, and choose accordingly. Now, while choosing language between VB and C#, VB will be the default language, but while choosing the language, you can select which language to use for expression. You can select only one language at a time for your project. Either it can be C#, either it can be VB. You cannot choose VB or you cannot write VB expression in your project if your project's language is C# and vice versa. That means if you have chose your language as VB and you are inside your project, you are trying to write expression in C#, it will throw an error. So you have these languages is important while writing the expression in your project. So make selection very carefully. Okay. And also once the project is created, I'll click on the create button. You cannot change the compatibility or language of your project. Okay. So now I have chose VB. I can click on create. It is restoring the dependencies for me and creating a workspace where I can create my project. From manage packages, I can see my default packages. These are my default packages. This is according to my selection in compatibility. So these are my default packages. I can click on open main workflow. This will open the main XAML file, which is this, which is created by default to hold my main workflow. Okay, so now I can go to activities and select a message box, as I want to display a message saying welcome to automation automation journey. Now, on the stop, you can see there is a star mark. It shows that means you have made some change which still you haven't saved. To save the project, you can go to design ribbon and click on save icon, or you can press Ctrl S, which will also save your project. Now I have saved my project and I want to run the project. Again, go to design tab. On your debug file, click on this arrow and press run. This is compiling my activities. Now you can see a message box saying welcome to automation journey. Press OK, and this you have ran your project. Now to close your project, go to home, click on close, and this will close my project. If you want to open a new project, you can again go to process. You want to create a new project, click on process and create a new process. If you want to open already created project, you can click on open and select your project, which is this. But if you want to close this, you're done with this, you want to close it, just go to close tab, click on this, and it will close the UiPath instance for you. Thank you.